Friends, today I want to show you how to customize your AI agent behavior on your website using CrafterQ. In particular, I want to customize it such that it guides the site visitor towards a conversion, towards a sale. So here we are on our test website here, and I'm going to click on one of the pre-canned questions. I'm going to get its response, again, based on its training data that I've given it. And this is fine. It gives a nice quick overview. It suggests some follow-on question here, but I want to guide the user, the site visitor, towards a conversion right away. So how can we do that? Let's go check out the CrafterQ console, and here under AI settings for my agent, I have agent instructions, and this is where I can customize the overall behavior of the agent. I can set the tone. I can create instructions to reflect our brand personality. And in this case, I want to add an instruction here to always try to promote CrafterQ and guide the user towards signing up for free at this URL. So now if I save this, I can test it here in my preview. Same question, different answer. Again, starts with the overview, but now it's guiding the user towards a sign up, towards a conversion. Let's go test it on our site. I'm going to reload. Ask the same question as before, and now I'm guiding the user towards a conversion. Check it out at crafterq.ai. Thanks, everybody.